Which three options was the solution composed of in the auto manufacturer case study? Choose 3. Option A. Implement a unified network security system. Option B. Launch of new wireless network. Option C. Organize plane layouts via wireless tooling. Option D. Deployment of AeroScout D2 tags. Option E. Use of Ethernet prosody rate equals medium break time equals 200 milliseconds / prosody IO to integrate machinery. The correct answer is option A, C, E. Which three options are reasons why partners prefer working with Cisco? Choose 3. Option A. The large size of the Cisco organization. Option B. R&D and innovation for future-proof technology. Option C. Unique capabilities with global reach and holistic solutions. Option D. Partner integration for the best of IT and OT. Option E. Cisco partners receive little to no support. The correct answer is option B, C, D. Which two outcomes are realized with Cisco Connected Factory Energy Management? Choose 2. Option A. Granular real-time visibility on energy usage. Option B. Reduced downtime. Option C. Reduced energy usage. Option D. Increased productivity. The correct answer is option A, C. Which three challenges did the company have in the auto manufacturer case study? Choose 3. Option A. Reduce spending. Option B. Increase factory security. Option C. Streamline manufacturing workflow. Option D. Implement real-time monitoring. Option E. Deploy mobile-enabled workforce. The correct answer is option A, C, D.